you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chills.
Hi Curlies, welcome to my channel Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I am going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Alikay Naturals Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. So I have never used this mask before, but I have seen it on other channels like Mad Curls. They loved it, and I have been dying to try it. This is my sister's. She has tried it and she loved it, so I'm really sure I'm gonna like it now. It's actually green, which I think is really cool. And it smells like candy, which I love. It looks like this. So I just finished pre-pooing and shampooing my hair. I pre-pooed with grapeseed oil that I got from Amazon. And I shampooed with Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I have videos on both of these, so I will definitely link them down below. So before we get started with this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all of my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I will subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by wetting my hair with some warm water. I've been out of the shower for probably like 20 minutes, so my hair has begun to dry. I'm just going to wrap this t-shirt around my neck because this is about to get wet. Okay, so I'm starting with about this much. It feels really nice and smooth and creamy. Oh my god. Sorry if you guys can hear the water running. My sister is in the shower in the bathroom behind me, and I really needed to deep condition, so I'm not waiting. This is my first time using an Alikay Naturals deep conditioner. I have tried a few of their products, but I haven't tried any of them on the channel, so let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see me try some Alikay products. I have tried their lemongrass leave-in, their aloe berry like styler, their creme brulee styler. I love their stylers. They are amazing. I will definitely try them if you guys want to see it. And so far I am loving this deep conditioner. It has a lot of slip. It is allowing me to get my tangles out with just my fingers, which I love. I mean, I'm definitely going to go in with my brush, but to be able to get a lot of them out with my fingers makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm not going to lose as much hair when I'm detangling with my brush. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like with the deep conditioner in. It looks really moisturized. The curls look really defined. I am loving this deep conditioner already. Okay, so I'm just going to keep applying this deep conditioner throughout my sections, and then I'll be back when it's time for me to detangle. I just realized I never read the instructions. So they say apply to wet hair, part into 2 to 4 sections, finger comb hair to remove tangles, apply liberally focusing on ends, massage evenly from roots to tips, cover with a plastic conditioning cap, and let product sit for 30 minutes without heat. For maximum moisturizing benefits, sit underneath a hooded dryer or hair steamer for 20 minutes. Rinse and style as usual. So I am going to pull out my hair steamer just because I am trying to use it more often and see if I really like it and see if it's really worth $78. So I am going to steam my hair really quickly and we'll see what happens. Okay, I just finished adding the mask to my whole head. So now I am going to detangle with my wet brush, and then I'm going to be steaming my hair with my q-redew. Okay, so now I am about to steam my hair using my q-redew hair steamer. I have a video of me using this up on my channel already, so if you are looking for a detailed review and detailed instructions, make sure you check out that video. I will link it down below. But I'm just going to get started. I'm going to speed this up, and I will see you guys when I'm done. This is how this section is looking once I finish steaming it. I have a lot of definition. My hair feels really moisturized and soft. As of right now, I'm loving both this deep conditioner and the q-redew. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put my hair under a plastic shopping bag. I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you guys my results. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out my deep conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. When I tell you guys my hair feels so moisturized, it feels so soft and healthy and bouncy. This is about to be one of my new favorite deep conditioners. This is the other side. Like, look at this. Okay, Alikay.
Hit him, baby, look. Bang, 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 bang. Ready? Start. Bang! 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 Hey!
I should have known. I really just should have known. Alikay is always coming with the bangers. I'm gonna have to give this deep conditioner a 10 out of 10, honestly. It had the slip, it smells so good, and my hair feels this moisturized after rinsing it out. That's a 10. That's a 10 in my book. A whole 10. It might even take the place of my Shea Moisture Pick Me Up Light Mask. That's how moisturized my hair feels right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've used this mask before, or if you've used other Alikay masks. And also let me know any other videos you'd like to see. And be sure to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.